What is solution? Solution is a mixture of two or more substances. In solution, the components present in a lesser amount weight, which one is a minimum amount weight, that is we called a solid. So it's a more amount, that is we called a solvent. Solid plus solvent create a solution. Salt plus water, it is added means we are getting that in a salt solution. Okay, so types of solution. What are the three types of solution? So look at here. Sugar, it is added in a water. What happened? Sugar is mingled. Starch is added in water. What it is happened? It is muddy color. இதில் வந்து சுகரும் வாட்டர் நம்மளால் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணவே முடியாது. பட் ஹியர் ஸ்டார்ச் ஆடட் மீன்ஸ் muddy color it is created. Okay, uniform manner created. And then final one, flour in water. ஓகே, மாவு வந்து போடுறோம், என்ன ஆகும்னா அடியில் செட்டில் ஆகும், மட்டி கலரும் க்ரியேட் பண்ணும். தட்ஸ் ஒன்லி இட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் ஹியர். ஓகே, ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் it is created fully soluble means that is we called a true solution. Okay, fully soluble means that is a true solution. Then muddy uniform manner spreaded means that is we called a colloid. Then suspension. Okay, sorry, this is a suspension. Uniform manner spreaded means suspension. Then it is created that in a colloid. Muddy also created, subsettled also. This is we called a types of solution. That's only why it is happening here means because based on the size of the particle only. Okay, what's the difference among that? You see that true solution, it is having in a particle of 10 power minus 7 centimeter. Okay, here colloidal, it is created in a 10 power minus 7 centimeter to 10 power minus 4 centimeter. Here it is a power in a minus symbol, it is reduce ஆகுதுன்னா size particles increase ஆகுதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேயா, ஸோ side particle it is increase in a suspension. Okay, colloid only center particle, the final one is suspension. Okay, but that is what it is. Flour is a suspension, starch powder is a colloid. That's only it is there. Okay ma, the colloidal means what it is? Colloidal means actually it is a heterogeneous system. Okay, colloid means what it is? Heterogeneous system. It having a two, one is a dispersion phase, that is we called a solute, another one is a dispersion medium, that is we called a solvent. It is creating that in a 9 types of solution in a next video. Okay, the next one is it is what is the movement having in a colloidal? What is the solution having in colloidal having in a solution? It is a you think that it is a one of the colloidal. You see that in a cinema theater backside onwards one light is coming, so we are able to see that in a many small particles from that. Not only that in a cinema theater, in our home also light enter likewise means we are able to see that in a air particles as in a moving in a colloidal manner. Okay, it is not it is a float, it is moving as in a colloidal manner, zigzag manner. Okay, that's only it is mentioned that in a Brownian movement. Brownian movement is nothing but in a Brownian is the one of the scientists. The colloidal is the small particle. It is movement only, it is explained here. It is movement explained by that in a Brownian, so that only it is we called a Brownian movement. The colloidal particles moving in a zigzag manner. Okay, so that only we mention as in a Brownian movement. Another one is a Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect, you see that in a, it is the effect of the Tyndall effect. You see that in a light allow to that in a light means what happened, we are able to see that in a colloidal pure waterல நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, particles சீம் பண்ண முடியாது. பட் colloidal it's possible to see that in a water molecule movement வந்து நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும், light beamல வந்து நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். That's only it is mentioned as a Tyndall effect. Tyndall is a scientist. It is he proved that if we are able to focus the colloid particle in a beam of light. Okay, so that only it is mentioned as a Tyndall cone also. Okay, it is observed in that in a true solution. Okay, the colloidal polyclid true solution லையும் true solution நம்ம இந்த particles seen பண்ண முடியாது, but colloidல we are possible to see. Difference between the three types: suspension, colloid, and true solution. That's only it is in a solution. So among that, first of all we check it means true solution particle size, it's a less than 1 nanometer. It is a 1 to 100 nanometer. It is a greater than 100 nanometer. Okay, so vibration we see means that is a filtration and separation. Filtration and separation we see means it is possible to filter. It is not possible to filter the solution and colloid. அதில் particles இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, next one it is a setting of the particles. So suspension settle down, and colloid also centrifuge மெத்தடில் நம்ம settle பண்ண முடியும். But true solution it's not possible to centrifuge. Then appearance, how is the appearance? In a suspension it is opaque. நம்ம நார்மல் ஐயில் பார்க்கலாம். translucent or semi translucent light half தான் allow பண்ணும். it is a transparent. the light in the solution வந்து true solution it's completely allow that in a light. Okay, diffusion of a particle, do not diffuse. இது diffuse பண்ணாது. it is slowly diffuse. it is rapidly diffuse. diffuseனா நம்ம உள்ளே போட்டு கரைச்சோன்னா கரையும். ஓகே, இதில் diffuse ஆகாது. இதில் வந்து ஸ்லோவாக diffuse ஆகும். பட் இது வந்து இதில் போட்டோன்னா ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக diffuse ஆகும். ஓகே, ப்ரௌனியன் மூமெண்ட்டுங்கிறது என்ன பார்த்தோம்? ப்ரௌனியன் மூமெண்ட்டுக்கு zigzag மூமெண்ட் ஆகும்னு பார்த்தோம். ஸோ ப்ரௌனியன் மூமெண்ட் may show இதில் வந்து இருக்கும். this is also having, but here it is having as not having in a Brownian moment. Okay, next one, nature. it is a heterogeneous. it is also heterogeneous, but a true solution actually it is a homogeneous. Next one is a emulsion means actually see that in a box. Emulsion means that is in a liquid and liquid create a emulsion. Okay, so liquid and liquid what it is creating here now, water and oil it is creating that in a emulsion. Okay, rendu mingle ஆகாத substance இது, so that's only it is emulsion. Okay ma, so it is does not mix to one another. Okay, so what are the emulsion is there means one is a oil in water, water in oil. Okay, here water having as a maximum, oil having as a minimum, so that is oil in water. Here oil having in a water in a maximum, water droplets having in a minimum. This is water in this so oil in water example is a cream, water in oil example is a butter. Okay ma. The next one, what is the use of the emulsion? Emulsionனால என்னென்ன uses இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, it is used for that in a application of food processing லையும், pharmaceutical and metallurgyங்கிற pharmaceutical you know that medicine field. Okay, metallurgy அப்படிங்கிறது மெட்டல்ஸை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறது. ஓகே, இப்போ கோல்டு கீழேருந்து எத்துலேருந்து எடுக்கிறாங்க கோல்டை, எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எடுப்பாங்க, ஸோ தட் பண்ணி metallurgy. Okay, so in these industries on which we are using that in a emulsion. Thank you.